In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make circle text in Inkscape. This is a great technique for badges, logos, and stickers, and we'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. If your interface looks a little different from mine, that's okay. Tool names and shortcuts are the same across recent versions. Open an existing document or create a new one, whichever suits your project. A blank document is perfect for practicing. It helps to zoom in a bit so you can place shapes and text precisely. Next, create the circle that will guide your text. Select the Circles and Ellipses tool, or press F5. Click and drag on the canvas, and be sure to hold Ctrl and Shift together as you drag. Ctrl locks the proportions, so you get a perfect circle, and Shift draws it from the center outward, which keeps it nicely aligned. You can resize the circle later using the corner handles, so don't worry about getting the exact size on the first try. If the circle is hard to see against your background, select it and adjust the stroke color or thickness so it stands out while you work. Now add your text. Switch to the Text tool by pressing T, click anywhere on the canvas, and type the words you want to curve around the circle. You can choose your font and size from the toolbar at the top. Keep the text on a single line for the cleanest result, and remember that you can always fine-tune the size after it's placed on the path. To place the text on the circle, switch to the Selector tool by pressing S. Hold Shift, and click both the text and the circle so they're selected together. Then go to the top menu and choose Text, and click Put on Path. Instantly, your text will follow the curve of the circle. This is a live relationship, so as you resize the circle or edit the text, the curve updates automatically. To position the text exactly where you want it, at the top, bottom, or anywhere in between, click just the circle twice to reveal the rotation handles, then rotate the circle until the text lands in the right spot. Holding Ctrl while rotating snaps the movement to neat angles, making it easy to place the text perfectly centered at the top or bottom. If the text appears upside down, simply rotate the circle 180 degrees. That's it. With a simple shape, a line of text, and a single menu command, you've created clean, professional circle text in Inkscape. Feel free to experiment with fonts and circle sizes to match your design.